Hey guys, it's Carmen here with another sewing and DIY video. So today I'm going to show you how I replace the button on these jeans. So I picked up these men's jeans at the Goodwill bin store because I really like thrifting worn out men's jeans so that I can get a boyfriend jean type look without spending a lot of money. But when I got home, I realized that the jeans were missing a button, so I thought that I would show you guys how I replaced the button on these jeans. Okay, so you're going to need your jeans, a kitchen towel, a pair of vice grips, and a replacement button. So you can get replacement buttons at pretty much any craft store, but I got mine at Joann's. Alright, now let's grab our jeans and grab the back piece of the button and then put it through the hole in the jeans where the old button used to be. Now, if your jeans have a really ripped out hole, you can sew a sturdy piece of fabric, maybe a piece of denim or something, to the inside of the waistband and then put the button through that fabric. But my jeans didn't seem to have a hole that was too ripped out, and it seemed to work alright as is. Now we can get the front piece of the button and place it over the back piece, and this is where things get a little bit tricky. So hold the button in place and really make sure that the front and the back pieces are lined up straight, and place the towel over the button. The towel is just going to keep the vice grips from making marks on the button when you squeeze it. So then all you have to do is squeeze the vice grips over the button to lock the front and back pieces together. And it's really important to keep the button straight as you lock it in place, or it will bend, which happens to me a lot. So that's why you see me rearranging things a whole bunch before I actually commit to it with the vice grips. And my first attempt actually did end up going in crooked and I had to redo it. So practicing first with the extra buttons is usually a good idea. Thankfully, the button packs almost always come with extra buttons. I know that most people insert these jeans buttons with a hammer, but I just find that that method is even harder for me to get the front and back pieces to join straight. They really always seem to go in bent when I use the hammer, so that's why I use the vice grips. I have a little bit more success with this method. So in the end, I ended up getting it started with the vice grips without the towel because it was easier for me to keep everything straight. And then once it had been started with the vice grips and wasn't moving around as much, then I put the towel around it and then really locked it in place by squeezing the vice grips even harder. Alright, so that's how I replaced the button on these jeans, and now I can wear them. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!